This is a message from Jigsaw. He is trying to do different rappers because it's rap day in his clan, and he's trying to act like a rapper. Message 1.
Hello, Tiffany. I only called you because I wanted to talk to you. I'm trying to be like a rapper, like Lil Wayne, T-Pain, Big Sean, Drake, the whole domestic thing. Here's my Big Sean impression. Boy, how'd you like it? It was good. If you don't call me back, I'm gonna cut your head off. You understand?
2 minutes later.
I'm gonna kill you. 1, because you didn't call me back. 2, because I saw what you were on Facebook again. Actually, wait, hold up. My fault, that was Twitter. I don't like it. I'm gonna kill you. I heard you got a new dog. That wouldn't be happy if you found it dead the next morning.
2 days later.
What happened to your house? Oh, I killed it. I burned it to smithereens, boy. Young Weezy on the mic. You don't know me, son. I'm gonna kill you. I got slicing and dicing. I don't want to kill you. But you understand my words. I'm gonna kill you like John Hirsch. And like John Cena did. You can't see this. I'm gonna kill you with your sleep. I'm gonna make your mama weep. So you understand this. I'm gonna kill you like a Hershey's Bliss. Boy.
Thank you. That was a message from Jigsaw.